Hey friends, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. And today I got a new sneakers, and this is from bioshop.ru. If you want to cop the sneakers, you can check on my web link. And this is the new color of Nike Stussy sneakers, so you can check out the name of the song, the Stussy, on the shoe tom here. And also the toe base also got a Stussy print there. And the side you can look at the whole upper got a mesh design on the upper, very comfortable one. And look at the shiny material around the whole side here. And I got the black Nike shoes here, also very little shining. And about the midsole, this is a very special design for this midsole, white and black one. And here printed logo there. And for the toe base, the shape you can look from this side is very beautiful. And this one also very comfortable because very lighter, and also from the material is very comfortable. And it's very good for sports. And the toe base here got the doors, and the front got the Nike shoes embroidered there. And the shoelace, this is the shoelace of this one, plastic leg tape, shoe tom here, and the special leg lock for this one, plastic black one. And about the inner side got the same. And this part, so you can look this one under a strong light, look very shiny. And about the bottom, got a brand new shoes, and this style Stussy as well. And check out the inner side. Inside you can take the shoe pad is the black one, got the size there, and the June air print there. The small Nike shoes, and the back side of the shoe tom got the size label. This one is the size US 5. So this pair all sizes are available. If you want to copy this one, please check out my web link. For more details, you can check there. Any more questions, you can contact with number I can contact with. If you got more orders, can get more discount. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.